Hello, welcome friends. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Lynn Haven. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home that is block and stucco. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here we are in the village of Lynn Haven. This home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac that is facing south, friends. That is your home. That is facing north. The back of the home does face east. The front of the home faces west. You can see this home has a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. This home is turnkey, and the roof was replaced in January of 2025. This home is list priced at $499,900. It is located on an oversized corner lot, and you can see the size of this lot is very large. As always, friends, if you have more questions about this home, please contact Gary McAdams at EXP Realty. You can see it has a golf cart garage as well. There's a better look at your roof that was replaced in January of 2025. Very mature landscaping here in the village of Lynn Haven. This home is very near shopping on County Road 466. It is near Lake Sumter Square, probably a 10-minute golf cart ride to shopping and to Lake Sumter. As we walk up to the front of this home, you do see it has a beautiful seating area. The concrete work looks in excellent condition. This home is in very good condition. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, Aldo. Can you tell us a little bit more about this home?
Hey, Tim. Welcome to 725 Beldon Court. This home is a Lynn Haven house, and you are in a 2005 home. It was built in 2005. You have a 2025 brand new roof. It comes with all the furniture you see inside. You have crown molding throughout and newer appliances. The stove is gas, and it's a 3-2 with a 2-car garage and a 1 golf cart port.
Thank you, Aldo.
Yes,
I'll take my subscribers through this home and I'll describe what I see. I do appreciate it, and as always, I'll have them contact either you or the listing agent if they have more information.
Thank you, Tim.
Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful laminate wood floor, very high ceilings with acoustic texture, very wide crown molding in this home. This home is offered turnkey. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home. Off to the right, it is a split bedroom design. Off to the right, you will see a guest quarters. It does have a sliding pocket door that you can close for privacy for your guests. It does have carpet in the hallway. And in the front of the home, you will see the first guest bedroom. That is a queen-size bed to give you perspective. The crown molding does continue, as well as the acoustic textured ceilings. Very large window facing the west. It does have sliding raised panel doors on the closet. We'll give you an idea of what that closet does look like. There is carpeting in the closet, carpeting in the bedroom here as well. Very neutral paint as well. Back into the hallway. Off to the right, you do see a guest bathroom. It has sliding glass doors on that tub. There is a solar tube. The crown molding does continue. Formica countertops. This appears to be updated. This home is list priced at $499,900. It is a turnkey home. What you see is what you get. Here is the tub right there. The surround is a tile surround, very neutral colors. This home is in very good condition. Here's another guest bedroom. Crown molding continues. That's a queen size bed. Looks like it has plantation shutters. Yes, those are plantation shutters. Raised panel sliding doors on the closet. This home is turnkey, as a reminder, friends. Very good condition. Let's go back into that living and dining area. Here's your dining area, neutrally decorated as well. Off to the left, you do see the kitchen. I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea of what this home is. This home is list priced at $499,900. New roof in January 2025. The primary bedroom is 14 feet by 12 feet. The dining room is 13 feet by 11 feet. And as always, if you have more questions, please contact Gary McAdams at eXp Realty, LLC. That's his contact information. Let's go to this Florida room. This is an awesome Florida room facing east. Laminate floors continuing. It does have a TV. Very wide crown molding. These Florida rooms are temperature controlled. You can see the HVAC duct right there. It also has a lanai that has tile on the floor. This is a screened-in lanai. This home is in excellent condition, by the way. It also has a small patio out here. You can barbecue, a small seating area. This home is the back of the home is facing east. And that is the direction you want your lanai to face, is east. This is the back of your home. Has a better look at your roof line. Side yard, this is an extra large corner lot. Let's go back inside this home and take a look. This lanai is awesome. All right, back into this home. We do have the kitchen area, Formica countertops. Does have tile floors. New appliances, stainless appliances. Solar tube in that kitchen. 2-bowl stainless sink. It does have natural gas stove as well. That is your island feature. That is Formica countertop as well. Very high ceilings, recessed lighting. This is your living area here as well. Living room is 14 feet by 12.5 feet. This is a split bedroom design. Your primary bedroom is on the opposite side of the home as the guest rooms. Primary bedroom, carpet floors. That's a king size bed, neutral colors, extra wide crown molding. I'll give you an idea of what this room looks like from this perspective. Turnkey home, as a reminder. It does have a primary bathroom with a hinged door. The primary bathroom does have tile floors, one sink, Formica countertop, acoustic ceiling texture, raised panel doors. Here is your pantry, very large pantry closet. There is a window above the commode space. That is your vanity area. It does have a shower with a hinged door. That shower does have a tile floor and tile surround. Very nice. Recessed light in that shower. There's your shower door. Give you perspective. Back into the rest of this home. Here's the primary closet, walk-in closet in the primary bedroom. Carpet floors, wire rack shelf. Very deep closet. I did mention that the primary bedroom is 14 feet by 12 feet. Here's your laundry area. It does have tile floors. It is inside laundry. It's a mechanical room as well. There is a recessed light. This is the garage. Right here, friends. 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. Very nice. That is your hot water heater right there, friends. This is your golf cart garage. Very nice size garage. Very comfortable. Very high ceilings as well in this garage. Back into the laundry room. I'll give you one last panoramic view of this kitchen area from this perspective. Nice large window over that sink. Lots of recessed lights. This home is light and bright. If you have any questions, please contact Gary McAdams, the listing agent. As I walk outside the home, here is your patio area again. Nice large patio area. Here you'd sit and watch the evening sunset in the west. That is your large yard. That is Churchill Downs Road right there. As always, friends, if you have other questions about this home, please contact Gary McAdams, your listing agent, eXp Realty. I will walk to the street. I'll give you one last panoramic view of this home. Please forward this video to anybody you think is interested. There it is. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom designer home. Located in the village of Lynn Haven, in the Villages, Florida. List price $499,900. New roof January 2025, and this home is offered turnkey. That is your tour for today. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Have a great weekend. Take care.